Hi, my name is Yannick, and we just purchased a new rolling case from Tenba, and we thought we'd just do some unboxing and also tell you why we chose this bag as our wedding and portrait on location rolling case. So let's guard it and cut the bag. Okay, so some scissoring here. Let's see. Okay, and this side. Okay. Inside the box, there's another box. Okay, I'm gonna do it the opposite way. There it is. I scared my dog in the meantime. Okay, so this is the bag. Let's see where's the opening. I think it's on top. If you hear some walking, it's my dog walking around. So. Okay, let me just cut it from this side. Okay. There it is. So this is a 24 road, what is it called? Roadie? Let me see. I should know, but I forgot. I think it's a road rollie, right? A road roller. Okay, so this is the bag. From what I read, this bag is a little bit bigger than what it's allowed as carry-on luggage. So if you plan to travel with this, with a rolling case on the airplane, this will not be the right choice because it's a little bigger than what is allowed. So this is more for if you're going locally or driving, that will be the best choice. Okay, so let's figure out what we have here. Let me open the main compartment. Okay, and first thing first, so I just reading the name. It's called Roadie Roller 24, just to be exact. One thing that I like about this bag is that it opens sideways versus our old bag opened this way and the lid was not attached with these straps, so it was always falling on the floor and it always took a lot more space than needed. So this one goes sideways. Nice pockets here. So 4 2 big ones and 1 smaller one. Extra compartment. There's also a rain bag or weather bag. I don't believe it's water resistant, but at least it will protect from rain. And I do plan to put 2 bodies, 2 SLR bodies, maybe 1 mirrorless and 1 SLR in this bag. And I have 4 lenses that I use on a wedding day. Plus speed lights. I use usually 3 or 4 speed lights. So this will all go here. So you can see there's plenty of space here. And the cool thing about it that if you can buy the optional like a carry bag, and you can just easily remove this part with 3 lenses and put it into like a portable bag on your shoulder. So this almost can serve as a lens bag when you photograph a wedding. So this is a very useful. So normally I have to put the lenses and put them in my lens bag. Like now I can just take the whole thingy, put in the other bag, and I'm all good. And then when I'm done, just put it back here. They also support backpacks for this insert. So you can have if you go hiking or anything, you can take 3 lenses or a body. And this is actually a pretty versatile system here. It's pretty deep. So you can actually put a 70 to 200 standing still. Actually, let me get it and we'll test it. Okay, so now I have my 70-200 lens from Canon. Let's test it out if it goes through this. So basically it sticks out a little bit, but it still closes because there's still a lot of space here. So not a problem at all. So you can actually have multiple long lenses like this, and this will fit perfectly. On this one, as well, nothing is sticking out. So it's really cool that that you don't have to put the long lens horizontally, and this way you don't lose any space. You can actually pack as many lenses as you want. Okay, so what else does this bag have? Let's see. Let me zip it up here. In the front, it has another pocket here, and let me see. This is padded, so you can actually put a very pretty big size laptop here. It will fit, and it's nicely padded. So if you want to take your laptop on location, when we do headshots or portraits, we always have our laptop with us. So this actually will fit very nicely here. There are some extra pockets here with those are padded. I think this is for a business card here. This is padded it's like a foam, padding. And then there's one pocket, two pockets. So, plenty of storage, extra stuff here. So that's pretty good. And I'm pretty sure in the front, we can put a reflector and it will actually slide in very nicely on top of the laptop. So that's from the front. So Sasha asked me whether, in the meantime, while we were filming, whether this is the model of the bag on which you can stand. So this is not the one. There's another one. I think this is the Air series, where it's so much stronger. You can actually stand on it and you can check in when you're flying. So it's that strong. But this is more local, no standing on this one. Now there's also a cool pocket here, and this is for the tripod. So if you have a small tripod, you can put it here, and then when especially for weddings. You can, we can make it this way. So this is how the pocket for the tripod looks like. So it's very easy to open, and basically slide in, slide out, and you're ready to go. So that's pretty cool here. So this is from the side. It looks something like this. Okay, let's zip it up again. And overall, what we like about the Tenba products, what I was really impressed about the roller case that I have already for my stand. I have the rolling case 38 right now that I use on weddings and headshots, and I travel with this bag to South America, to the Caribbean, multiple times to Chicago. We always check in this bag, and it's brand new after each flight. I mean, nothing gets ripped. It's really rock solid, and this is the same material on this bag, so I know that this will last us for a very long time. You can feel that all the materials is really well made. The wheels are big, so even when we go on the beach, see, like those wheels in the bottom are pretty big, so those will actually behave well in sand or any like soft surface. So that's pretty cool. Zipper. Okay, there's some security zippers, but that's pretty standard note. Yeah. So in the back. This is a cool pocket. This is a pocket you can put your battery here for your cell phone, and you can put your cell phone here and charge it. So this is specifically a pocket here to have a mobile device being charged. So if during the wedding or on location, if you quickly want to charge your phone, put your battery, put your phone. You can put your phone here, or you can just zip it up and put it inside. I think it's more secure to keep it in the pocket. But you can you can charge it without really opening the bag, etc. And then the last pocket is here. What is actually? I have. This is from what I remember. This is an add-on that you can attach another bag here. So you can basically just go through the handle, attach it here, and then when you roll it, you can have another bag, hanging here. So that's kind of useful, when you travel with more than one bag. Okay, so this is, usually we also keep here the X-Rite passport color checker. So this is where usually we keep it in this pocket, and also any soft gels if you're using on a shoot. Okay, so let me zip it up here. And I know there's another pocket here. Oh, this is the security cable. Okay, so this is pretty cool that you can attach your bag. There's also a lock on the side, so this is for the main compartment. 3 digits, and it looks like there's a key as well, but I don't know where the key is. Maybe somewhere in one of the bags. Yeah, so what Sasha told me, that the security cable is very useful, especially when you photograph out of all the places in churches, there's there's a history of some strangers coming to the church and stealing camera bags. So having them secured to something is actually very important. But there's a lot of extra. So even with these compartments, so that's how it looks like. And you have extra. How many here? 1, 2. You have 4 extra small ones, so you can make more compartments, and then you have 2 big ones. So you can really, if you don't want this soft bag to be inside, these compartments go throughout the whole length. Let me show you how it is. Because the current ones, they go only from here to here. If you don't want this, and then basically have compartments all the way through, you make it longer, and then you can just use it for some other purposes. So basically 2 like this. And then you can put more lenses or more flashes. But now, it's a very nice bag with tons of storage. So if you have a lot of lenses or a lot of flashes with 2 bodies, this is more than plenty. And then these guys, the straps here, they're Velcros as well. So if you really want to open it full, you can adjust it, or you can adjust how much you want it to open. So if you want a little bit tighter, you just put it here, and then but then depending on the weight, it may not stay steady. So here, perfect. Okay, so if you have any questions about this bag, please leave a comment below. We'll be using it, going forward. So we'll tell you a little bit more, how our everyday use is. But knowing, from our previous Tenba products how solid they are, I'm pretty sure this will be an awesome bag in, for our weddings and headshots on locations. Okay, see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. See ya.